Hey you, how's everybody doing? Week number 8. So after this week, we'll be halfway through the semester. How about that? So here I am, chilling in my kingdom, Grinstead 103, the computer lab, which remember, you are more than welcome to use to complete the activities for this class. I am wearing my shades because, well, I don't have a reason for that, so never mind that. Let's move on to what I really want to talk to you about, which is our new and improved roadmap plus the expectations for this week and beyond. So for this week, you have chapter 12, reading all about text, and that will help us to understand as we build our Ragus photography page. And we're going to start by creating the HTML file for that. So check out Lab 5. As always, I got instructional videos for that and also a discussion board as a way for you to upload your files so that you will have a functional link that will work anywhere where there's a web browser and an internet connection. So you know what that means? You can actually share these links. I don't know if you've done this yet, but you can share these links to your mama or your grandma or whatever, your cat back at home or whatever, right? Because it's so cool, the stuff we're doing. It's available for everybody to see. Now, this discussion 10, I have simplified your instructions also because at this point, you've been doing this for what, 8 weeks now? And so I'm just going to leave it up to you to upload your file to your folder using FileZilla or whatever FTP client you use to upload stuff, and you will share that link and make sure it's functional. And since there's really not much to this particular lab number 5, I only want you to post that, and I leave it as an option to interact with each other just to make sure that your classmates are on the right track. Like if you see something, say something, right? Okay, assignment number 4, this one is due October 14th, so you have a little bit of time on that. And this is where we start building something for your website project. So we're kind of double dipping here. It's an assignment, but it also helps you complete your website project. And we start by creating the HTML portion of your homepage. So we are just interested in the content. And what's different about this one also is that you have 3 possible submission attempts. Your initial submission is due on the 14th, but then you get 2 more chances to make corrections to that based on the feedback that I give you, but then also using feedback, if you want to, that your classmates give you about your code using discussion number 11. So I want you all to appreciate that for the rest of the semester, this can be a really useful tool to help each other out. And that's been my vision for this discussion board, is to prepare you for the second half of the semester where you're actually creating the code and content for your website project. So it's not going to be you following along my videos to where everybody's got the same page. It's going to be a little piece of you, right? So it's really been a thing that students in the past, it's been a platform that has been really useful in their endeavors toward creating a simple web page project for this class. And speaking of the website project, it's always there. You have December 2nd as your due date. But, you know, you got assignments that help you build onto that, and we will continue. So assignment 4 and beyond will be related to your website project. All right, so I think that's it. So I will just be sitting here waiting for you to submit your stuff, and yeah, that's all I got. So talk to you later.